Okay, we're going to factorise this quadratic expression. We know it's quadratic because of the x squared term there, and we know from previous work that we've done that the factorisation will be from two brackets. And if you think back to how we expanded two brackets like this, we used the box method, and the x squared came from multiplying these two terms together. X times x gave us the x squared. The minus 12 went in that box, and that came from multiplying these two numbers together. And the 4x came from collecting the terms here in x. Now, the way to go about this is to think what numbers go here and here. And there are a few possibilities. But they have to multiply to give minus 12, but they have to add to give plus 4. Now, possible pairs of values could be 1 and minus 12, minus 1 and 12, 3 and minus 4, 4 and minus 3, 6 and minus 2, and minus 2 and 6. 6 possible pairs of values that multiply to give minus 12, but they're all going to add to give something different, and one of those should give us our plus 4. So let's go through it in order. 1 times minus 12 is minus 12, brilliant, but 1 add minus 12 is minus 11, no good, needs to be plus 4. Similarly, minus 1 add 12 is 11, no good. 3 add minus 4 is minus 1, no good. 4 add minus 3 is 1, no good. 6 add minus 2 is 4. Brilliant. So that is our pair of values. 6 times minus 2 is minus 12. 6 add minus 2 is 4. And again, if you're not sure about the director numbers, use your calculator. So these terms here are 6x and minus 2x. Now the next thing we need to think about is, well, x times by what gives us 6x? Well, plus 6. X times by what gives us minus 2x, minus 2. So our two brackets are x plus 6 from that bit there, and our other bracket is x minus 2 from that bit there. There's our factorisation, all complete. This method also gives you a way of checking just to make sure it is correct. All those terms are there simplified to give us what we started, and there we go.